1, 2, 3.
What's going on, Noir gang? So we're back with another video, and oh, whoa, okay, what's going on, Noir gang? I had to redo that because I almost gave away the wheels. So I did get new wheels for the car, but I'm not gonna reveal which ones, what color, nothing until next video. I'm sorry, guys, I'm gonna do that too. But how are you guys doing today? So today I'm gonna drop a video that it's just more, I think, for positive re-encouragement, not so much for me. Peep the shirt, look at that. I'm sure this joke's gonna come up time to time. I want to talk about something that I feel like we all go through. So I want to go through something, I want to talk about something that I feel like everybody goes through no matter what, and which is hate. And me being a YouTuber now, and you know, my clout's starting to grow more and more and more, I noticed that I get a lot more mean comments than usual compared to way back in the day when I first started. Like, well, a year ago, you know, it was all support, everybody's cool with it. Now it's like there's always one douchebag that pops up. I thought, and I still think, it would be really funny if I just read back some of these comments. I don't get that much hate to begin with. I really don't. I think actually I get a lot of positive re-encouragement even to this day. I notice that I'm getting more and more hate as I get bigger, but that's obviously as to be expected. So I'm really thankful I only have a handful of comments. It's nowhere as bad as you think. I thought it would be pretty fun. So let's read these comments together. And I only found, I think, like 5 or 6. A lot of them I'm gonna forget what video they're actually from, and I apologize about that because some of them might be out of context, but some of them are just funny, just reading right off rip, they're hilarious. And there's one that's just like, wow, you really have to be on something. So all right, this one I believe is from the video, and I'll put it somewhere like down here or something. This one's from the video, I think, talking about Mustangs versus 370Zs, because Danny made a whole video talking about I think if 370Zs are fast, and I made like a response video to that months ago, but like literally 9 months ago. Whatever. So some guy told me, he's like, Sal Monterey, or maybe I shouldn't say your name, but whatever. If you Sal told me you must be a rookie. Everyone knows 20-year-olds aren't our best friends with a 6-speed. Try a 45. If you're a good driver, you'll give them a hell of a race. Well, he's wrong and right. Like, to be honest, my gearing, I think a lot of other Z owners will agree. 40-year-olds are actually great. 45-year-olds are good too, but I have a lot more luck in 40-year-olds. So yeah, I guess I'm a rookie, Sal, but you know better than I do. But with my plethora of races I post, you know better than me. Here's another one. This one was recent. So Victor told me, and this was my video talking about if, I think it was 100,000 miles later, if it's worth buying a 370Z. And Victor's response: this video could have been a 3-minute video. Fast car, slow YouTuber. What do you even mean, slow YouTuber? How could I be a slow YouTuber? Like, it doesn't make any sense to me, baby. I don't know, but now here's the thing, and well, you know what, let me hold it to the end, because this conversation doesn't end. This one's not so much hate, but it was still criticism. Like I said, it was kind of hard to find like hate comments or any kind of criticism. So Tommy says, and this was on my tune video when Carl was trying to help me learn how to do the launch control and all that stuff. So he says, how do you not know how to two-step? He explained it so easily. Well, Tommy, because I'm stupid. There's not much to this one. Oh my god. And this one was the video when we were, okay, disclaimer, I get pulled over at least once every 2 weeks, and I'm not kidding, I'm dead serious. I get pulled over once every 2 weeks. I decided one of those times I was gonna post a video about it because I actually felt like the ticket was unjust. Like, a lot of the times it's me doing dumb things, I accept that, no problem. But this time I got pulled over because of I didn't stop at the red light to make a right turn, but I did. Whatever. Point is that this guy, there's a twofer. This is a double whammy, Noir gang. This is a double whammy. Listen to this guy. He's crazy. So, okay. Wow, I don't even think I could say his name because now that I'm monetized, I don't want to get demonetized. But why can S-word be fair for all? Why? Question mark, question mark, question mark says, blue line traitors declaring war on the USA, we the people. Okay, it doesn't end. He doubled down. So then he has a further response saying, they are invading army with a flag. Yes, a flag. When a war is fought or an army is invading, there's always 2 flags showing the sides. So it's amazing people that get mad, but if you have a brain, went to any school, you know it's true. War is war, and the United States of America has not got it yet that cops are terrorists and need to be healed like an untrained animal, taught to jump through hoops and and sit on command. They like to piss on trees all day, kick up the grass and dirt like you see dogs do. LOL, LOL, end comment. Well, my response to that is, what in the actual I have no idea what was going on with this whole comment, but brother, you do you. I'm gonna just be more on the other side. I actually respect a lot of officers. I know there's a lot of bad apples, but I have no hate for them. So Jerry, I don't know what video this is. I honestly, just from the context itself, I'm probably not even gonna remember. But this, what the freak? So this guy, all right, well, it's fine, you can be in here, who cares? But yeah, so this guy, Jerry, he said, it's a Nissan, calm down. This is a poor man's channel, LOL. Well, I found Jerry on Instagram and I just wanted to see what Jerry has, because since he feels the right to go ahead and comment on my stuff, I found out that Jerry drives a Corolla. So that being said, you do you, Jerry. I made that whole story up. He doesn't drive a Corolla. I actually don't even know what his Instagram is, but whatever. I just wanted to sound cool. Get over. What? People are rude. You should have got, oh, this is when I was like considering trading. This is when you see the height difference between my girl and I. But all right, people are rude said, you should have gotten a new 370Z, but it's time to unsubscribe.
That's what she said.
Well, that is what she said. Why would she say that? I don't know. But well, that was a video when I was about to trade my car in for a 6th gen, but like 6th gen Camaro for those who don't know. But I didn't have the heart to do it, man. I just can't sell my Z. Like, you good there with your head poking into the?
Yeah, I was like,
okay. But yeah, I mean, I got you. Look, I don't obligate any of you guys to subscribe. Hopefully, you guys just subscribe because you enjoy the content. But I mean, I'm not gonna hold you hostage. You're free to do as you want, you know. Hopefully, he came back to the channel and he's vibing now, because I still have the car. Alexander. So this was a video I did when I was reviewing this old school Camaro Z28. I think that's what it's called. If I'm wrong, I'm sure I'll get corrected. So someone commented on that video, like hating on the kid. Like, the kid is 16 or 15. Like, he's really young and he's helping build the car. Now, and I'm sure, and I see this guy's point, I'm sure that he didn't do it all by himself. It's gonna be impossible unless you have like a financial backing. But Alexander put, Daddy Bill. You want to do it again? Daddy Bill! You want to do it? Go, hit it. You want to hit it? No? Alright, whatever. I put, he has footage of him, and I replied to this guy immediately. I was like, he has footage of him doing a lot of work, Daddy funded, and I corrected it. And he put, kid's a chump. Wow, I'm spitting everywhere. Kid's a chump. I met him and his BS dad. Kid rides the high horse because daddy is always there to back him up. Well, I hope so, fool. The hell, that's his dad. Like, I don't know what you think. Like, I understand your point of view, but brother, like, I mean, if the guy is acting like a jerk at school, I understand. But if you're gonna hate on him because he has the money to build a car, bro, if my daughter, if I have a good financial security and standpoint in the future, and my daughter wants to build a car, of course I'm gonna help her. That's stupid. Oh, what? Hot girl summer, what? Wow. Yes, 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 work, boo. Oh, you see her? Oh, and my last and favorite one. Babe, you're gonna love this one. Jersey John Boy, 7 months ago, and I didn't see this comment for a long time. He wrote to me, so why do you even keep the Z, guy? I mean, shit, the Z and I and other will shit on that Mustang without the forced induction. So catch up with your, catch up, dude, with your mods. You're really acting stupid right now. You seem like a lost Arab in a white world. Maybe you should get a camel and race that. Then you'll be realistic. Thumbs down on this Akbar F with Rick and Morty theme. Shaking my head. What? I don't really permit racist things on my channel. First of all, I'm not even Arab, but I have friends that are. Like Cheyenne, he's my favorite Middle Eastern. You guys have seen him on the channel multiple times. This is never okay. Like, I understand if you're gonna hate on me or whatever, but there's no need to ever take it that level. Now, I didn't take any offense to this at all. When I read hate comments on the internet, my mentality is people who hate are the ones that are the most insecure, and I stand by that. So whenever I see stuff like this, I'm like, I shrug it off and I move on. Sometimes I post it on Instagram because I actually find it funny, and I even made a whole meme about this. The whole point of this is not only just to expose some of the hate comments that I get, but it's more along the lines of, you have to learn how to handle these things. Whenever you're growing in anything, whether it's in your workplace, it's school, or YouTube, or any social media, and just in general, I don't know, so any kind of social gathering, whenever you're moving up in something, you're bound to have people that are mad that you're moving up. You're bound to have people that hate on whatever whatever you do. So the point, that being said, is just learn to kind of roll with the punches. A lot of the times I respond back to these people and I just try to make it positive. Like even that guy that made a comment about me being a slow YouTuber, I responded back to him, and you know, it was actually pretty funny. Like I was kind of trolling a little bit and we had a little bit of fun. And you know, and he's a cool dude. He actually wants to buy a Z. But that being said, you know, don't let anyone hold you back. Don't let anyone talk you down. And just because people are saying, even if people are saying negative things and kind of trying to put you down as much as possible, forget all that noise. If you have that many people talking down on you and you're doing the best you can be as a person, you're not doing anything sketchy, keep doing it. Because if you have haters, you're doing something right. It's an old saying, but it's very true. And that being said, Noir Gang, I wanted to kind of leave that. I just wanted to make this video not only to kind of expose some of these comments, but just to help hopefully have some positive re-encouragement for people that might be going through the same things. I almost slipped and put the wheels in the frame. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this stuff, I'm thinking of making like a podcast on Wednesdays, and which I did. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. It's at Noir.TM, pretty similar to my YouTube channel. Nice, make it easy for you. I did a poll if you guys would be cool with me doing a podcast on Wednesdays, because I can totally do 3 videos a week. And yeah, and I think those would be fun because it's more engaging. Maybe getting like other YouTubers and talking about it, like Joe Rogan style or something, you know. But if you guys are down with the idea, just let me know in the comments. I know on Instagram everybody voted. I think it was like 98% yes. So far it's in the works. I'm just trying to get my first person. Thank you guys for watching this far. Hopefully you guys find it entertaining. Maybe I get some more hate comments and I'll do a part 2. Thank you, Noir Gang. You guys are beautiful. Give me a kiss.